Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's. Check this shit out. I have a good little trick to getting these like brand new again. I'll polish all the brass, but these have sat on my shelf for like 9 years. These were off Tim Tonberry's E21. Right, now I found this by mistake because look at this, it's brand new. This 40mm literally looks brand new. Inside and out, and it was full in there. It was full of, let's see if we can get some light in there. It was full of brown silt. I was given a box of this gasket remover the other day. I thought, I don't have any carby clean, and I need to get these Webbers done and on this car, right? So I thought, I'll give this shit a go. Now look how dirty this fucking thing is. It's a bit hard to see in the light, but I'll show you all I had to do. Oh, the cap's coming off. These are like a second, and it foams up. I'm actually in the middle of making tea, but I wanted to show this. And it's slightly acidic. Right. Spray it down. But it's not majorly acidic. I don't know what the contents is. But I used a whole can on that body, and I did it like 3 times. The first time it came up mint. But where the silt was in there, and I'll show you the silt. This shit from stale fuel. Look at that. All right, this stuff's so hard to get out of anything carburetor. It's not funny. Watch this. Now all I've done to neutralise it was degrease it and just degrease it and wash it. Now, where are we at? And the reason for this was I need a better thing to be able to use rather than shipping them off. So I'll leave them for a minute and I'll come back to it in a sec. Right, we've left them for about a minute. All right, I'll spray it off. Look at this. It never comes out like that. Anyone that's dealt with silt before will understand it never comes off that easy. Now, let's give that a quick wash and I'll bring it back in and blow it off. Now, this is ridiculous. No brush work, no nothing. Now, I don't think they're the cheapest tins, but what the young lad gave them to me the other day, he got them from work as seconds or whatever. Dude, it's brand new. Looks like a brand new 40mm Weber. It's like a 15-year-old Weber. This thing was disgusting. You know, when I first got them clean, I had a sonic cleaner. Right? I didn't even do this side. But look at that. All that silt is 90% gone. And I won't even use a brush to get that out. I'm going to do this. Right? And this is all I did. Concentrate where the silt is. And that brown silt shit is the worst to get out. That stuff, that'll de-varnish a carburetor. That's ridiculous. All right? Ridiculous, guys. Look at that. I'm blown away. There's a tip for you boys. You want to bring your carburetors up like brand new? I don't know how caustic it's going to be. I don't know how long to leave it on. Anything. That's what it is. Forsh. Killer. Learning. I love learning. It's awesome. Right. Quick before I turn that off. Let's see what it's done. Yep. All the silt's gone. Look at that. Front of your eyes, guys. Look at that shit. How killer. Forsh 580 gasket stripper. How good is that?